The dominant seventh chord is one of the most important chords in all of music. It's the chord that creates tension and then pulls everything back home. But it's also one of the most misunderstood chords in music theory. Technically, it belongs to the family of seventh chords, but it behaves a little differently from its cousins. Let's start with something simple, the major seventh chord. The major seventh chord is just a major triad plus the seventh note of the major scale, so 1, 3, 5, and 7. Pretty straightforward. Now take a minor seventh chord. That's simply a minor triad plus the seventh note of the minor scale, so 1, flat 3, 5, and flat 7. Again, straightforward. But the dominant seventh chord works a bit differently. If we try to construct it the same way, we'd have to use the Mixolydian mode. In Mixolydian, the chord is simply the first, third, fifth, and seventh notes of the scale. But why Mixolydian? Well, in music theory, the word dominant refers to the fifth degree of the diatonic scale. So the dominant seventh chord refers to the seventh chord built on the fifth degree of the scale. So in case of C major scale, that would be G. Now here's where the modes become useful. One of the most confusing definition of modes is that they are rotation of the major scale, but in this case, that definition actually helps because Mixolydian is the fifth mode of the major scale. So for example, take the C major scale, and if we start from the fifth note instead, G, we get G Mixolydian. So when we build a G dominant seventh chord, we simply take 1, 3, 5, and 7 from that scale. And of course, we could have just taken the 5th, 7th, 9th, and 11th note from the C major scale. But that's essentially the same thing, as you can see. Now this chord is so common because it has a devil's interval, the tritone, right here. And the tension created by this interval just begs to resolve, which makes taking us back to the tonic feel so good. And that's why the dominant seventh chord is so powerful. If this helped, drop like and subscribe, Discord's in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.